thinking about moving and wondering how much it's going to cost? That's one of the most common questions people have before a move, and the answer depends on a few key factors. Let's break it down so you know what to expect and how to plan ahead. The biggest factor is distance. A local move, usually within the same city or under 100 miles, is typically charged by the hour. Long-distance moves are priced based on the weight of your belongings and the total mileage. Next, the size of your move plays a big role. The more rooms or furniture you have, the more time, labor, and truck space you'll need. Downsizing or decluttering before you move can really help save money. You'll also want to consider packing costs. If you pack everything yourself, you'll only pay for materials like boxes and tape. But if you choose full-service movers, they'll handle the packing for you, which adds convenience but also increases the total cost. Other things that can affect your moving price include special items like pianos or large appliances, stairs or long carries, and storage services if you need to keep items temporarily. And don't forget about insurance and valuation coverage. Basic coverage is usually included, but if you're moving valuable items, you might want extra protection for peace of mind. Getting a few quotes from licensed movers is the best way to find the right balance between price and service. MoversCom makes that easy by helping you compare trusted movers in one place. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom or email us at contactus@movers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.